In today's presidential itinerary on the road, the province of Antique was among the stops for the presidential assistance to farmers, fisherfolk, and families aid tour for Panay Island and Guimaras. Our Alan Francisco hashes over the president and government's outpouring of help for the marginalized sectors of Aklan, Capiz, Iloilo, Guimaras, and host location Antique.
The farmers and fisherfolk like Lope in Western Visayas are deeply grateful for the presidential assistance provided to them earlier by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa malaking tulong ng aming Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kasi malaking bagay yan na makatulong sa aming anak buhay.
Dionisio and Ignacio will use the financial assistance they received for their livelihood.
Bili lang malambat. Bili lang lambat.
Malaki po ang may tutulong nito sa pamamagitan ng pagtatanim namin ng seaweeds. Punan po.
Aside from financial assistance, the government also brought farming machinery and equipment, fertilizers and seeds. There are also tractors and other equipment that will help lift the agricultural sector.
Kaya naman, narito kami upang personal kong makita at maghatid ng tulong sa Antiqueño na nakikiisa sa ating ngayon.
President Marcos also gave 50 million pesos in assistance to the provincial governments of Western Visayas, while Guimaras received over 28 million pesos.
Sa pakikipagsapalaran natin ito, umaasa ako na makikiisa kayo sa amin at sa inyong lokal na pamahalaan upang mapaunlad palalo ang inyong ekonomiya at magdala ng pangmatagalang kasaganahan sa Antique.
The Department of Social Welfare and Development provided 10,000 pesos to 10,000 beneficiaries. Meanwhile, House Speaker Martin Romualdez's office distributed 5 kilos of rice to the people in the crowd. President Marcos also reported on infrastructure projects in the region, such as the repair of the Paliwan Bridge, which was previously damaged by a typhoon. There is also the Panay East-West Lateral Road, which is now 80% complete. Additionally, the Antique Airport Development Project is underway.
Sa susunod na buwan, sisimulan na natin ang pagpapalawak ng runway, paglalagay ng mga check-in counter at iba pang mga kagamitan para sa passenger terminal building.
The President plans to visit many more areas in the country to deliver aid.
Magtiwala po kayo na sisikapin namin na maabot ang ating mga liblib at malalayong pamayanan sa bawat sulok ng bansa. Nang sa gayon ay walang maiiwanan at walang mahuhuli at sama-sama tayong paglalakbay sa bagong Pilipinas, patungo sa bagong Pilipinas.
From Antique, Alan Francisco, from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.